Picking the right university can feel like a huge decision, right? Let's simplify it together. With so many universities out there, finding the one that's truly right for you can feel overwhelming. Today, I'll break down 3 key factors to keep in mind so you can feel confident about your choice. And if you think what qualifies me to give you advice about your university applications, I'm Mihai, husband, father and founder of Enrollmate, and over the past year we've helped hundreds of students, especially those balancing work and family, find the right university fit. Choosing the right place isn't just about rankings or reputation, it's about finding a place where you can grow, connect and get support when you need. And if you're still exploring your options and want some extra help, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you feel good about your decision, and we're doing it for free. Now let's dive in. First up, let's talk about academics. You're going to spend a few years studying here, so finding a university that offers what you need academically is the key. Think about things like course structure, specialization options and hands-on learning. If you're interested in psychology, does the university offer practical experience? If you're into business, are there opportunities to work on real world projects? It's not all about what sounds impressive, it's about what feels right for you. Take a minute to think about the kind of learning that excites you. Is it small interactive classes, or maybe access to certain labs or research opportunities? Knowing what clicks for you will help you narrow things down. Alright, now with the academics sorted, next let's talk about campus life, because university is about way more than just classes. University is where you'll be spending a lot of time, so finding a campus where you feel comfortable is huge. Some universities are located in big cities while others are more tucked away. Think about what suits you best, especially if you'll be commuting. Do you prefer a bustling campus or maybe a quieter environment that helps you focus? And then there's the community vibe. Look at the clubs, societies, even the support groups that align with your interests or goals. Maybe you're someone who enjoys joining a student organization or even a quiet study group. Having access to a community that supports you will make a huge difference. Imagine yourself on campus. What type of environment would you feel most welcoming? These are the little things that often get overlooked, but they are what can make university feel like a place you can call home. Okay, point number 3. Let's look at how the university you choose can support your future. Think about where you want to go after graduation. If you're aiming for a certain career, does the university offer the support to help you get there? For example, maybe you're interested in a business degree and know that networking is essential. Look for universities with career events, internships or connections to local businesses. Some universities have career centers that can help with things like resume reviews, interview preparations and job placement. If you're not sure what path you'll take it, that's fine. The right university can give you the space to explore and find the direction that works for you. When you picture yourself post-graduation, what kind of support would you need to get there? Having a university that backs your goals can make all the difference into your experience and into your future. Cool. And to sum it up, here's a simple way to approach choosing a university. First, check out the academic programs that interest you. Then consider what kind of campus life would make you feel at home. And finally, look at how the university can support your reach your goals. Choosing the right university is a personal decision. There's no perfect answer. It's about what makes you feel excited, comfortable, and ready to take on the next step of your life. So think about what matters most and go from there. And if this video helped make things clear, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating the university life. And if you are still exploring your options, reach out to us at Enrollmate. We are here to make this process easier and help you find a suitable university and the right course for you. Thanks for joining me and all the best in finding your perfect fit.